Namaskar students. In this class, we will do the study of toolbox of MS Paint. To use the toolbox of MS Paint, at first we have to click on Home tab. When you will click on Home tab, that time in the Tools group, you will get the toolbox. In this toolbox, you will get different tools. Here we will study the tools of toolbox one by one. The first one tool is pencil tool. You can see here, this one is the pencil tool. When you will click on it, that time you can draw any type of freehand drawing with the help of this pencil tool. Near the pencil tool, we are having fill with color tool. With the help of fill with color tool, you can fill the color in the drawing. Near the fill with color tool, you can see A is written. What is the meaning of A here? If you want to write any type of text, that time we have to use this text tool. And then below these three tools, we are having the eraser tool. If you want to erase anything, if you have drawn anything and then after that if by mistake you have done something wrong, that time you can erase it with the help of eraser tool. Near the eraser tool, we are having the color picker or eyedropper tool. This tool is used to pick the color of any drawing and then that color, the same color we can fill in another drawing. The next tool is magnifier tool. If you want to increase or decrease the view size of any drawing, that time you can use the magnifier tool. So here we will do the study of all these tools one by one. So let's begin with pencil tool. I will just click on pencil tool and then I will press the left mouse button and then any type of drawing I can draw here. You can see here that the black color is coming. When I am drawing here, that time the black color is coming. If you want to change the color, that time just choose the color of your choice from the color box and then draw whatever you want to draw here. See, if I want to draw this, that time I can draw this. If I want to draw a tree, that time you can see here I have drawn it like this. You can see I have drawn a tree here. I am just drawing this tree here. So with the help of pencil tool, I can draw any type of freehand drawing. Now, if I want to fill the color in this drawing, that time I have to use fill with color tool. So to fill the color, at first I will click on fill with color tool. When I will click on fill with color tool, that time after choosing the fill with color tool, I have to choose the color from the color box. Whatever color you want to fill, you can choose it from the color box. So I want to fill green color here. So I will just click on green color and then I will just press the left mouse button. You can see my color is coming here. Now I want to fill this color here. So you can see with the help of fill with color tool, I can fill the color like this. Now I want to write the name of this picture. So what to do for that? For writing the name of this picture, I have to use the text tool. So to write the text, at first I will click on text tool. Then I will just press the left mouse button and I will draw a box here where I want to write the name. Now here I will write tree. So before that I will just make the small box and then I will write tree, TREE. You can see the color is coming different. If you want to take any other color, so before that just choose the color from here and then write here. I have written the name here. If you want to change the font color, font size, that time you will get different options here in the text toolbar. Whenever you are choosing the text tool, that time the text toolbar will appear here. So you can get here, you can see this is font, so you can choose any type of writing style from here. I have to select this text and then I can click here and then I will choose any type of font. Now if you want to change the color, that time you can change the color also. Now if you want to increase or decrease the size, you can increase or decrease the size with the help of font size. If you want to make it bold, that time you have to click on B. If you want to make it italic, that time you have to click on I. If you want to make it underline, you have to click on underline. So you can see here that I have written this text. Now if you have done something wrong and if you want to erase that time you have to use eraser tool. So at first I will click on eraser tool and then I will just erase this drawing. You can see here that with the help of eraser tool I can erase the drawing. Now the next tool is color picker tool. What is the use of color picker tool? At first I will draw something here, then I will tell you the use of color picker tool. Here I will draw the small drawing here. Now I will just draw it for you. If I have drawn this picture here, or if I will draw any type of drawing you can draw here. If I want to fill the green color in this drawing without choosing any color from the color box, that time what I have to do, I have to just click on color picker, then I will click on that drawing whose color I want to fill in the another drawing. Then you can see when I am just clicking on this green color in the color one, the color is changing. I am just telling you again. You can see here previously if I am having green color here, now I have changed the color, now the color is black. Now I am just clicking on color picker, now I am just clicking on green color. You can see the color one is changing. So now you can fill this color, but with the help of color picker tool you can't fill the color, so you have to click on fill with color tool and now you can fill the color in the drawing. Now the next tool is magnifier tool. With the help of magnifier tool you can increase or decrease the size of the drawing. When you will click the left mouse button, that time the size will increase, and when you will press the right mouse button, that time the size will decrease. So with the help of magnifier tool you can increase or decrease the view size of the drawing. You can see here my drawing is here. So these are the basic tools of toolbox, and I hope you all are able to understand the uses of different tools of toolbox. In the next class we will do the study of brushes. Different type of brushes are here, so we will do the study of different type of brushes in the next class.